Welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to deploy a Node.js application. There are quite a few free options to deploy your Node.js app. Heroku used to be a good choice, but it is not free anymore. In this video, I will be using Render, but Fly is also a good option for you to explore. Step 1, let's quickly take a look at the code we will be deploying. It is this index.js file. It contains a very simple HTTP server that responds with Hello World. The app runs on port 3000 by default, but also accepts the value as an environment variable. We will see how to set this on Render. Step 2, ensure your code is pushed to GitHub. As you can see, I already have a repo created, which is the same repo I've used for the entire series, Nodejs tutorials. We have a folder called Node Fundamentals. And this index.js file is what we will be deploying in this video. Step 3, head over to render.com and click on Get Started for free if you're new to Render. I already have an account. Once you sign in, you should arrive at the dashboard page. Step 4, to deploy a Node.js application, click on the New Web Service button under the Web Services option. Next, connect to your GitHub account by clicking on the corresponding button. Enter your credentials and authorize Render. Next, you can give permission to all your GitHub repositories or only selected repositories. I like to give access only to selected Node.js repositories. From the drop-down, I have already selected Nodejs tutorials. Now GitHub may ask for further authentication, so please finish that step. Once Render is installed in the repo, you should be redirected back to Render. Ideally, it should bring you back to where you left off, but if it brings you back to the dashboard, it's not a problem. Step 5, click on New Web Service again. And this time, connect to the Node.js repo. Here, we need to enter a few details. First, we enter a unique name for our service. Let's call it codevolution-demo. We can leave the region and branch as is. The root directory, we're going to set it to Node Fundamentals. This is the folder that contains our index.js file. Environment is fine as is. For the build command, you could leave yarn as the default, but if you're not familiar with yarn, it is npm --install. For our project, we don't have a package.json file, and hence this does not matter. The start command, however, is node index.js. Scroll down and we leave the selected plan as free. We are, however, going to click on the advanced button and add an environment variable. The key is port in uppercase and the value is 3000. We can leave everything else as is, scroll down to the bottom and click on Create Web Service. The deployment is kickstarted, which will take a few minutes. You should see the build is successful and the server is running on port 3000. If I click on this generated link, we should see our app responding with Hello World. As you can see, it is really simple to deploy a Node.js application. Alright, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.